Doesn't say prohibited. Oh wow, I see what you gotta walk across a bit of mud though, mates. Okay, let's see how treacherous this happens to be. See any snakes back in here? Are you coming? Ooh, this is getting rather muddly. Let's go over this way. Ugh. Yeah, it's a little bit muddier than I thought it might be. Like a great place for a moccasin to hang out though. Makes you kind of wonder if this little pier might have at one time been somewhere else or something, and I can't imagine that they encourage people to go swimming back in here. This is kind of a snake hole. I know, it kind of almost makes me think it was somewhere located somewhere else and that it eventually washed, but maybe not. Here it looks like it's anchored. Okay. No, it's meant to be here. See that? So this is just a little offshore walkabout, I guess.
I mean, plenty of places to tie up a kayak next to here.
Oh, okay, that's a good thought. I didn't think about that. Yes. Yes, you sure could. That's perfect. I didn't think about that. This would be
This is a way to get into the water.
Yes, that makes a lot of sense. Looks like the end of this pier has been burned off or something. Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
Look at that. That's not something you often see. Or maybe something was against here and the exhaust just melted it. That's probably what happened.
Yeah.
Okay, well, there we go. Pine tree trying to grow on a floating pier right there. Here's something else. What is this? Yeah, here's some kind of a dock. What is that? Oh, this is like for a wave runner dock or something, maybe. Do you think that's what that is? Ooh. Yeah, and this is called, yeah. And it's meant to be here. I'm now seeing the anchored posts that can fluctuate up and down with the water level. Just not very accessible.
No.
Interesting.